Ms Nandita Choudhury. I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I'm working as a junior embryologist in Guwahati only, in a private medical hospital. So I came to Milann for a 10 days ICSI program course, so where I got to learn so many of the new things from the basic to the advanced techniques. So here the HOD, Dr. Ashraf sir, he is also a scientific director of Milann. So he taught me from the basic to the advanced technique of ICSI. So what happened actually was that I was not confident enough to practice ICSI. I was like unaware of the techniques of ICSI in all the micromanipulators like Navishi, RI or Appendorf, so I couldn't do anything. So before coming here, I was just like a layman, but after joining this course, I got to learn so many of the things. I gained my confidence to perform ICSI, and I got to learn so many of the new cases, how to handle them. So Ashraf sir taught me so many of the basic things to the advanced things. So they also provide so many of the other courses like freezing or thawing of the embryos or embryo biopsy, etc. So if you want to really join the course, you can join the course, because they will actually teach you from the basic to the advanced techniques, so that you can gain enough of your exposures or you can gain your experiences, etc. Thank you so much.